Today I'm gonna talk about chicken herb. I make this video in chicken herb again. Nó của yo lu thẳng cho bé cho chua cho cá là chua cho cá đó nó cái của yo halu mika ha của halu mong đó là mấy những bỏ hết ta của chỉ yo mika thì của halu mika là những chỉ mình nó cái của yo halu bé chua ha cho chua cái bé cho cá cho cá đó nó thì cho cá này chỉ một cái皮cái chủ cái chỉ trong chủ yếu cho cá nó xui nữa. So today I'm going to talk about the chicken herb, the name in Hmong and the name in English. But my English is not very good, so I just want to make sure my children understand. So first of all, we have to have this chicken herb. Hmong name is the green Hmong or blue Hmong we call Tanki La, and the white Hmong called Kotter or Kolia. And English name is called Artemisia lactiflora. And we have to have this one in our chicken herb. And also this one is called Salang in blue Hmong, green Hmong. And the white Hmong called D. But English name is called Eupatorium fortunii. But I cannot pronounce right, but it is one of the chicken herb that we should have it. And this one we call Ditlu because I don't know the blue Hmong name. So the English name is Rolia. And this one we call Jan Chon To in blue Hmong. And the white Hmong name is we call Yen Chon To or Goma. And in English we call Isosia pendulifolia. Flora. I cannot pronounce right, but I write in here, so make sure you understand. And another name is called Chinese mint bush, and this one is called Chocho in blue Hmong. And English name called Okinawa spinach green, and this one called chochola. Underneath is red, and we call in English Okinawa spinach red. And this plant we call Gangla or Galia in white Hmong, and the English name is Urison, and we use this in our chicken herb. And this one we call Artemisia, and this one called European fortunii, Eupatorium fortunii, and all these are chicken herb. And even though I don't pronounce right, but I writing in here in English, but sometimes the English name don't really match the plant, so you figure out, but you have to judge in my video here. And this one, so we call Danki Shuo or Gonjuo in white Hmong, because and some people call And this is we call English in chicken herb Moob. But Moob, we have another kind, but this is the one that we put in our chicken. So the smell is different from the other Moob. The regular Moob is different from this one, but this one is really smell good. And this one we call bơ in blue Hmong and white Hmong. And this is one of the plant we put in the chicken herb. And the English names are called Agoro calamus sweet flag. And this kind of plant is good for your blood. And this we call bơ cá, or white Hmong call bơ gai, same thing. And the English names called Acaros gramineus. And this one we call Changxiong. This is Chinese medicine. And we put in chicken herb, but I don't really like it. I don't put in my chicken herb. And the English name is called Tshuaj. Still mean Changxiong. And this one we call một chùa, có một chùa, in Hmong, but we have in English name. This is Chinese herb. So Chinese English name we call Sichuan lovage, but sometimes you don't match right in Google. But this is judged in my video here. And this is your Patorium fortuni, and this is the talang that we have in our chicken herb. I talk over and over. I put the plant over and over and have the name, but you understand that this is the one of the helpful in the chicken herb. So we should have these in our chicken herb. It's very helpful for our chicken herb. So we have to have all these plants. So put a little bit of each and put, when you boil chicken, you put in your chicken soup. It makes tasty, and it's very good vitamin to help you in your health. So this is our Hmong herb we brought from Asia, or our original country. And this is the Tshuaj that we have, and they are really helpful. And this Janchon tour is it have health benefit in there, and also make the chicken taste better. And also this one. So I have the chicken herb. So some of them may not be in here, but this is mostly the main chicken herb that we should have in our chicken. It's very helpful. And some other time you don't have the Sichuan lovage and the Tshuaj, but that's okay, as long as you have the donkey, talang, and the rulia in there. That will be fine. So what I'm talking here is a little bit off from my picture, my herb picture, but that's okay. I just want to make sure my kid, you understand. So this video, I talk mostly in English, and I only name the Hmong name, and make sure everybody understand. And also we have to have the orison, which is the galia in here. This is to help your blood, like boosting your blood, so it's really helpful. And this is the Hmong Galia. So right now I have all I need, the chicken egg that I have on hand, and I just talk about them. So hopefully you understand it, and hopefully it will helpful to you when you're watching my chicken egg here. I only have the picture, and I just put them in here to show you. So this is mostly the main chicken egg that I have. So I have them every year in the summer. They're really good. Cho có sai nữa. Cô trang video lúc sau lên nó xứ. So this is all my video of chicken egg. So thank you for watching. I see you next video. Bye.